Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 503. The title of today's lesson is the difference between careless and carefree. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot? Do it right now. All right, let's get right to it. Now, this is one where I think native speakers have no problem, but students of ESL, or English as a Second Language, may, probably to do with, when students look at the end of the word careless, they think, well, not having care. That part is really correct. But carefree, because sometimes we put free at the end, or free sometimes as a suffix also means no. And I think that's where the students make a mistake. So let's get right to it. Let's look at the note here. If we say that a person is careless, we are blaming a person for making mistakes or causing some harm or trouble, for not paying enough attention to what is one doing. So if you're careless, you're not paying attention and you're causing problems. All right, if a person is carefree, now this is a much more positive word, they seem to be happy because they don't have any major or significant problems, worries, duties, etc. that they are responsible for. Okay, good. Let's continue. All right, and we have three examples here. Of course, with the X, it's wrong, and then where the check is, that would be correct. So here's the first one. When I was younger, I was very careless in comparison to now because I didn't have so many responsibilities. Of course, that's wrong. It should not be careless. It should be carefree here with the check. So it should be when I was younger, I was very carefree in comparison to now because I didn't have so many responsibilities. All right, good. Second one. When I was young, my parents didn't force me to go to summer cram school. Well, in Asia, a lot of students have to go to cram school during the summer too. I used to be careless during summer vacations. Now, in this case, of course, you'd say you used to be carefree. You had no worries. You could do whatever you want. Probably could play all day, or you could fool around, go to the movies, play video games, whatever your parents allowed you to do. You were carefree. You didn't have any worries or responsibilities that you had to do. All right, and the last one here is the opposite way. So how could you be so carefree? You broke it because you were not careful enough. Now, of course, here it should be, how could you be so careless? Because you were careless, you weren't paying attention, and you ended up breaking something. You broke it because you were not careful enough. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.